Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2008 Toyota Prado GXL, stock reference number 4511. This shape runs from the 2nd month 2003 through to the 10th month 2009. It has a 1KD 3 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic 4-wheel drive transmission. 1KD 3 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. This vehicle has suffered damage in the front end. We have the left power door mirror in chrome. Left front door has one small dent. Left rear door appears to have no damage. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with the average tyre. We have the left hand tail light. Factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets, loom and module. Spare wheel cover, hard cover type. It's faded on the top edge and has light scratches. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right hand tail light. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. Right rear door appears to have no damage. Right front door has 2 small dents. And right power door mirror in chrome. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with grey cloth interior. It's got a black vinyl centre console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and rear headrests and 3rd row seat. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.